the first thing we want to do is put all the y terms on the left-hand side and all the x terms on the right-hand side. So let's divide both sides by x squared plus 3. So you're going to get dy dx, which equals xy over x squared plus 3. And now if we multiply both sides by dx and divide both sides by y, you are then going to get 1 over y dy, which equals x over x squared plus 3 dx. Y terms are on the left, x terms are on the right. We're now going to integrate. That's a terrible integral sign. So let's do the left-hand side first. Pretty simple. 1 over y integrated is going to be ln y plus. I'm going to call this constant c1 because we're going to have a different constant here. If you want a full video on why 1 over y integrated becomes this, I have a whole video on that. For the right-hand side, it's a little bit more tricky. So we're going to substitute in u equals x squared plus 3. Let's differentiate that once. So you're going to get du dx, which is going to be this differentiated once, which is 2x. And now let's rearrange that so that it's in terms of dx equals. So you're going to have dx, which equals du over 2x. Let's now take this and substitute it into the right-hand side. So you're going to get x over this replaced would become u, and dx would then become du over dx. Over 2x, sorry. So now obviously our x's would cancel out, and now we have this integral. So let's pull the half out, and you are going to be integrating 1 over u du, which is 1/2 ln u plus c2. And we know that u equals this, so we can substitute that back in. So your right-hand side is going to be 1/2 ln x squared plus 3 plus c2. We can combine c1 and c2 into just c, as they're both constants on both sides. So you're now going to have ln y equals 1/2 ln x squared plus 3 plus c. But you're not done just yet. You need to exponentiate both sides so that basically you can get rid of this ln, so it just says y equals. I have a video on why these lns disappear when you exponentiate them. But then if you do that, e to the power of ln y would just become y equals e to the c square root of x squared plus 3. Or if I write it generally, it would be y equals some constant e to the c x squared plus 3. And then you're done.